Hi everyone, welcome to the lesson number 2 of your science unit this term. Today's lesson, obviously you need to watch this video to get you started, and we'll be looking at battery operated devices, specifically using a battery to light up a light globe. You'll be working in teams for this, so obviously working together is super important, and making sure that everyone is on task in your team and everyone are doing the jobs they're assigned and helping out people when possible. The first thing you need to do though is have a look at the PROE sheet. Predict, reason, observe and explain. Okay. That sheet, or should I say not a sheet, it's actually a Google Doc you will all have access to in your science classroom. With it, you need to individually complete the predict and the reason parts of the document, the first two parts, individually. So you need to do that entirely by yourself. The observe and explain will be done, or mostly the observe will be done in your groups, and the explain can be something that you discuss with other people, but more or less it's an individual typing task too. The cool thing we're going to do today though is instead of drawing on our sheets, I want you to try and use Google Drawings to insert, especially into the predict part, what you think it's going to happen. So instead of using a pencil, I want you to use Google Drawings in there, please. So let me explain P, which is predict. You need to predict by writing or drawing ways to connect the equipment that will make the bulb light up, and you need to record in the first box of the PROE document your explanations there. R, reason. That's basically reasons to support your own predictions. O, which is observe. You'll need to construct and test your equipment, and you need to record everything that you observe during that process. And lastly, the E, explain. So in this section of the document, you need to compare your predictions with your observations. So did they match up? Didn't they match up? What you thought was interesting? And also maybe if there's anything that you thought of, some questions for later on in the lesson that you have after your observations, you can insert that into the explain section as well. Okay, so now that I've explained what the PROE document is, you need to now complete the P and the R. You'll need to make your own copy of the document, and then you will need to complete it, obviously. And then once you finish the PROE, I have created an assignment for you to submit that document to.